Welcome to Nature's Wonders. The Amazon rainforest, stretching across 9 countries, is home to more than 3 million species. Known as the lungs of the earth, it produces around 20% of the oxygen we breathe. From vibrant macaws to powerful jaguars and millions of insects. Every life form here plays a vital role. But this balance is under threat. Deforestation is destroying habitats, altering the climate and endangering life within this natural wonder. The Amazon reminds us that nature's beauty is fragile and it depends on us to protect it.